Okay, so this is a tour of my app, Conversions. This app converts your units for you. And as you can see here, just wait a little, wait for it to load. And as you can see here, this is the home page, and it can send you to all the different tabs I have. If I click on meters conversion, it'll send me to meters conversion tab. And here is where you can change you can convert your units by just typing in how much you want to convert, clicking the button you want to use. So, for example, send meters to centimeters, and I just double click on that, and it becomes 10,000. The the coding behind this is, as you can see here, is so the whatever the input is, it divides it by 100, and then it sends it to the output. And it just does that for the rest of them. And it's the same here for capacity. So if I put 5,000 and I do from milliliter to centiliters, it becomes 500 and has the same coding using Blockly. Also, the weight conversions is basically the same coding over and over again. Now, if you look in the quiz section, it's a bit different. Here I have 3 different tabs and 3 different quizzes. For this one, first you click New Test, and it comes up with random numbers from 0 to 9, and then you just convert them. So, for example, centimeters to meters, 0.088, centimeters to kilometers, 0.00002, and you get the gist of it. And if when you click submit, it shows how many you got right. The coding behind this is when you click on the button New Test, it uses some JavaScript code and it creates a random number into each input section for the questions. And for the submit, it does a basic, it uses Blockly and does a basic maths and logic. So first, I set my variable to 0, and then if you type the right answer to the question, the variable will add 1 point, and repeats that again and again. And here you can see the maths. And then here, if the variable equals, if your score is 0, it says this, and if your score is 1, it says this, and if your score is 2, it says this, and so on. And then that's just repeated again and again throughout the rest of the test. Like capacity, new test, and there, I got 2 out of 6. Oh no. Okay, and you can check the coding again here. Same thing, JavaScript with that just selects, makes a random number from 0 to 9. The coding is similar to the other one here, just that we have different conversions of amounts. And yeah, the variable adding by 1 each time. And yeah, that's repeated in the conversion quiz. That's basically my whole app. Thanks for watching and bye.